Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and installing a wig from West Kiss Hair. This is their 22-inch body wave lace front wig. Inside the box obviously came a bandana, a necklace, as well as the wig itself. It is very soft, you guys. It comes with 3 clips, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. It also has a lace in the back and a lot of parting space in the front. The hairline looks pretty good, but of course I did pluck it a little bit. This video was actually recorded in 2 separate days. So in the first part of the video, I will be showing you guys how I cut the back of the lace off, as well as how I cut off some of the ear tabs so the wig actually fits my head. So as y'all saw, I didn't use any of the combs in the wig. I just tightened the little adjustable straps in the back and made sure the wig fit really snug. That way, once I start spraying the wig down and everything, it does not move anywhere. So the lace for this wig was a little bit too long for my head, so I just went ahead and cut off some of the lace, the extra lace that was on the wig on both sides. And then I'm going to go ahead and skip to the next day where I actually apply it and do the baby hair, put a little curls in it, as well as show you guys how I put it up in a ponytail. So if I would have done this whole process in one day, it actually would have took me a full 30 minutes to do so. But since I did part of the wig a day before, it only took me about 20 to 25 minutes. And then I just used my Got To Be Freeze spray, some mousse, some firm control hold mousse from Tresemme, as well as some bobby pins and a hair tie to tie it up. That's pretty much all I needed for this process. And then of course putting the curls in with the curly wand, and then you're out the door, okay? Of course, this application process won't last you up to a week like wig glue will, but this application process helps if you want to get up and go, if you're in a hurry, if you're just trying to get out the door, going shopping, a quick trip or something. This process is very great and also very good for beginners. So basically, when you're done with your earrings and everything for the day, all you have to do is just wet the perimeter of the wig with water and it will come right off. This is an easy application as well as an easy removal. And y'all, don't mind my puppy in the video. He just wants to shine and wants to be featured. So if he just pops up and down in that little bin right there, don't mind him. I had to put him somewhere so he isn't wandering around. You know, we have carpet and we don't want those problems, okay? So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this video and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, money loves.
In my direction, hands on each other. Where should we run to? I wanna follow where she goes. Tell me what you really like. You and I and nobody else. I like it. I want you, baby. Talk that talk, baby. Can you feel it? I wanna feel the way that we did that summer. Don't be afraid to catch feelings. So hey, baby, gonna me now. Keep my hands on my side. gotta turn it on.
So let me get to work right now.
Despacito, can we be friends? Yeah, I wanna hear you sing it.
I've been hearing symphony. Don't wanna sing that songs anymore.
No, we didn't end this so good.
Say, hey, hey, now, baby.
I like me better without you. I like me better.
All you have to do is stay a minute. Just take your time.
Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Tell me if you love me or not. Love me or not, love me or not.
I will be right by your side. I'm way too good at goodbye. I'll put you with my love.
She played the fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hands. And baby, I just want
Man, I feel just like a rock star.
Moscow. What about all the times you said you had the answer? Moscow. I've been that girl who has to play it safe. 'Cause I got issues. What about us? But I can't help falling for. I'm the way I wanna be like. Look what you just made me do. She's dead.
you just want attention.
So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you
You
should.
just hit the thought of me with someone
You ain't getting over him.
Just stop your crying.
Can't stop the tears. You are.
Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to give while we're young, dumb.
Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby, come on.
Got me thinking about when you were mine.
All that you want, boy.
All that you want.
All that you can have, boy. Got me spread like a buffet, bon night.
Now they always say congratulations.
Come on, strip that down for me.
I'm on my way.
Stand if it's still fake. Girl, come on, strip that down for me. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Do me